Hello everyone, Yvette Hollendonner here with the Velocity Real Estate Group at Keller Williams Preferred Realty. What we are about to preview today, it's a beautiful Victorian home with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in the city of New Lenox. Why don't I stop talking and let's go inside and check out the property. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Yvette Hollendonner with the Velocity Real Estate Group with Keller Williams Preferred Realty. If you are interested in this property or you would like to take a look at it, please give us a call at the number below, and I hope you have a great day.